Are your apps not working because of the 7zxa library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. This DLL file is an essential library for the 7-zip archiver. It contains the primary compression and decompression algorithms for the 7z format, providing high-speed file management and archive handling on the Windows platform. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This issue is commonly caused by a broken 7-zip installation. Reinstall the latest version of 7-zip from the official website to replace the 7zxa library DLL and related files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the 7zip.xa library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the 7zip.xa library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing the 7zip.xa library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix 7-zip. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.